Hi friends, welcome to Sura. Now we are going to see a pig farm. The pig farm is ready for rent. I am standing in front of the main gate of the pig farm. The pig farm area is around 24 feet wide and 50 feet length. Inside the pig farm, actually we have one borewell and we have one watchman room and a store room and solar camera and CCTV camera available inside this pig farm. Actually, the total area of the land actually 5.5 acre, which is fully fenced land. Four side we fenced with the diamond mesh. You can see the land. You can see the complete land. This land completely fenced with the diamond mesh. Okay, this is a complete full land. Okay, inside this land we have one pig farm. You can see my left side. This is the pig farm. The pig farm size is 24 feet wide and 50 feet length. This room is watchman or store room. My left side, this room is watchman or store room. And further, I will show you the borewell point. This is the borewell point. This borewell point actually around 100 feet you can get sweet water. The water is actually standby up to 100 feet level. Up to 300 feet we drilled and we installed PVC pipe. The water level available up to 100 feet. Sweet water is available there. Just opposite of the land we have one lake. Now we are going to see the pig farm. Okay, come. So this is the pig farm actually. The pig farm area actually, as I told you earlier, 24 feet wide. 24 feet wide and 50 feet length. Okay, this pig farm is available, readily available for rental purpose. Come inside. So you can see the partition. The partition already made in this pig farm. The total 10 rooms available in this pig farm. Inside this pig farm, 10 rooms available, and you can see here actually one proposed ramp will come here. Okay, 95% of work already completed. Only one ramp is pending. So this is unloading point. Here we called unloading point. About the access, we have tar road access to the land. So vehicle can come and go. No issues. So the pig farm is readily available for rental purpose. If you want to get more information, kindly connect me. My WhatsApp number is 8489761364. Thank you very much.